Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to show or hide protected operating system files in Windows 10. So without further ado, let's get right into it. To show or hide protected operating system files in Windows 10, follow these steps. Right-click the Start menu and select File Explorer, or press Windows key plus E. Click the View tab in the ribbon, then select Options. Alternatively, search for File Explorer options in the search bar and open it. In the Folder Options window, switch to the View tab. Locate the Hide Protected Operating System Files Recommended option. To show protected files, uncheck this option. To hide them again, check this option. If enabling visibility, Windows will display a warning. Click Yes to proceed. You may also want to show or hide hidden files, folders, and drives. Click Apply and then OK to save your settings. Once enabled, protected system files will appear in File Explorer, but they will have a faded appearance to indicate their hidden status. Be cautious when modifying these files, as they are critical for system functionality. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.